Tesco Mobile Honest review travelers to watch before use. Most people get mobile service wrong. They assume their regular provider will automatically work abroad or that all travel plans are covered. The surprising truth about Tesco Mobile is that while it offers competitive UK plans, travelers need to understand roaming limits, charges, and network compatibility before relying on it abroad. Here's how it works. Tesco Mobile runs on the O2 network and offers pay-as-you-go, SIM only, and contract plans. For travelers, the key is checking roaming allowances, especially for data, calls, and texts, as charges outside the UK can add up quickly. For example, a tourist visiting Europe may find free roaming in some countries under EU rules, but outside Europe, international rates apply. Most people get this wrong. They assume unlimited global access, but roaming fees can surprise even seasoned travelers. Additional benefits include straightforward plan management, online top-ups, and Tesco Club Card points on some plans. Users praise its customer service, simple app, and reliable coverage in the UK. However, there are considerations. Travelers should confirm SIM compatibility, roaming rates, and network coverage in their destination before relying on Tesco Mobile. Most people assume UK-based service works everywhere. Checking local alternatives or temporary travel SIMs is often smarter. In conclusion, Tesco Mobile is ideal for UK residents with domestic usage in mind, but travelers must carefully review international roaming options to avoid unexpected costs. Subscribe for more honest reviews of mobile providers and travel tips.